In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Google Sites, whether you're building a resource hub for team collaboration or a personal project. Being able to navigate between pages efficiently can greatly enhance your site's usability. So let's dive right into it. First up, you'll need to open Google Sites and access your project. Once you have your project open, look for the area where you want to create a link. You may have a text box, button, or image you want to act as a link. Let's say you've decided on using a button for a visually straightforward method. Begin by selecting the button. This is usually straightforward. Just hover over it until you see editing options appear, then click on it. Once you've selected your button, a small window should pop up, allowing you to customize the button's properties. Next, it's time to name your button. In the text field provided, type in the name you'd like this button to display. It's helpful to use clear and concise language so that users know exactly where they're headed when they click. For instance, if you are linking to a Contact Us page, name the button Contact Us for clarity. With your button named, it's time to create the link. Click on the option that allows you to link the button to a web page. Depending on the interface, this might look like a chain link icon or be labeled as link. Once you click on that, a new window should display options for where this button can lead users. Now this is a crucial step, choosing where to link. You'll likely be presented with a list or a drop-down menu of your website's existing pages. Select the page you want the button to link to. An important tip here is to double check the selected page to avoid pointing visitors to the wrong destination. If required, there may also be an option to link to an external website, but for this tutorial, selecting another page within your site is our focus. Once you've made your selection, look for a confirmation or OK button, often labeled Insert or Apply, and click it. This action saves your changes and finalizes the link. Although it sounds simple, this step is crucial for ensuring that your changes are properly implemented. Finally, always preview your site to ensure the link works as intended. Navigate through your newly created links and verify they guide you to the right pages seamlessly. This method enhances your website's interactivity, providing visitors with a smooth experience. By linking your pages thoughtfully, you pave the way for an intuitive navigation path that encourages users to explore more of your site. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Feel free to reach out in the comments with any questions or if you need further clarification. Happy site building!